يعبأ بكم ربي لولا دعاؤكم فقد كذبتم فسوف يكون لزاما.
They say a great story is felt most through its ending, but with the Peace and Unity Conference, we don't ever truly say goodbye. Rather, we say until Allah reunites us once more. Although we come to the conclusion of our 2023 chapter, we leave you with the memories that we created together along the way. The Peace and Unity Convention has been able to unite us all in ways that we had never envisioned before. From listening to Sheikh Mohammed Salah, who taught us about the importance of keeping family ties and strengthening connections with one another.
We're actually united by birth, by faith, by nature. MashaAllah la quwwata illa billah.
To Sheikh Ammar Al-Shukri, who reminded us about the need to make dua continuously and passionately, whilst moving us with his poetic prowess and his poetry about Jannah.
Walk, his talk, his statements, his thoughts, how he loved and fought, what he was and was not. Everything that he taught is there for you to read.
And Sheikh Wa'il Ibrahim, who moved us with his keen interest in the Nigerian language, making us laugh with phrases such as waiting they happen and no do me wayo.
As soon as I get back to Australia, anyone will talk to me bad, I'll tell him, I will show you Pepe.
Reminding us of the fact that even though we come from all tribes and backgrounds, we remain connected through our words. He helped us to see the importance of mental health and taking care of our well-being, that our body is an amana given to us and it is our duty to nurture it. Professor Pantami also reminded us of the characteristics of a good leader and the values that every leader should possess.
We need to ensure that we change our perception of considering leadership as just a position of enjoyment. Leadership in the Quran is supposed to be a position where you are to serve humanity.
Sheikh Jabir Mehula emphasized to us the importance of being a good ambassador of Islam and the need for us Nigerians as Muslims to learn about Islam in proper classrooms and represent our religion effectively.
Quality we have, this is the strength we have that we need to appreciate for Allah to increase upon us, and we need to work on that. We need to focus on that because we inherited generation upon generation. We want it to continue generation after generation.
Move